no doubt that we have made immense progress.
Welcome 0747, that's Kenya's latest dial-in prefix numbers, unveiled by Jamii Telkom, the country's largest fiber network distributor.
The message is here.
From free voice calls on every bundle, coverage in various towns, and a unique and youthful product offering, JTL has casted dice on Kenya's telco space. A comparison of JTL's product offering across other network reveals that a 1 GB data bundle at Safaricom would cost you 500 shillings, a 1.5 GB Telkom Kenya bundle will cost you 499 shillings, and a 1 GB bundle on Airtel will cost you 250, and that on the Fiber 4G network will cost you 50 shillings. Still staying with the numbers, so what will 1,000 shillings afford you? Well, that can afford you a 3 GB data bundle with Safaricom, a 4 GB data bundle on the Telkom Kenya network, and a 6 GB data bundle on the Airtel network, and a 25 GB data bundle on the Fiber 4G network.
And again, you're saying you're offering a free voice. How do you hope to be competitive with all these prices?
I think what happened, if you look at the prices, we have just said that within our network, because our technology will voices data to us. It doesn't occupy resources, it's part of the data. That is why we're saying within our network, you call free.
The Communication Authority of Kenya, that CA, awarded JTL a 4G license early this year, a move that did not come by easily, that's according to the regulator.
We are moving away from the traditional way of fearing competition to adapting new methods and innovation to be able to make the people of Kenya eat. And that is the purpose of the regulator.
We have decided that as a country, we need to be able to move forward, even with the issues of competition and how competition needs to be managed. There's still investment going on in the country because people believe in Kenya and people believe in the opportunities that are there.
The government made known of plans to leverage on Kenya's digital economy by leveraging on ICT. Kenya's e-commerce is top on the list of priorities among stakeholders.
As a country, we think we can catch up, we can leapfrog and develop faster than other countries that developed over the years by leveraging ICT in all our sectors.
Today, early adopters rushed to Jamii Telkom's offices in Nairobi's Upper Hill to purchase the new packs as reports of a different phone compatibility with the JTL's Extrema 4G network were met.
A question of reliability comes up. You know,
we have been reliable. We believe in what we are doing. We believe that we'll be able to transform this country. And the idea is to inject competition and democratize data.
Hey, boss, is that your wife calling?
Laban Clifonserio, NTV Business.